welcome back to my cooking show. So today we're going to be making Jack Cookie Num Num. So yesterday I think Pixar actually released the recipe for it. So I got really excited and I told my producer behind the camera that we should actually make them for my cooking show because I haven't made one of these cooking shows in a very long time. So the ingredients you'll need is 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a cup of chopped chips. So we're going to be using dark chocolate, but it calls for milk chocolate, but you can use whatever chocolate chips you want. A 1/4 cup of normal white sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1¼ cup of brown sugar, a cup of unsalted butter, and 1 yolk and 1 egg. So first step, you're going to brown the butter in a saucepan. Just put all the butter in there. And you'll come back when it's all golden brown. As you can see, the butter has been browned. You can see the color of it. It's gone a lot darker, and it will start like coming up with like burnt little speckles on the spoon. So the butter has to solidify, so I'm just gonna pour it into the mixing bowl and wait for it to solidify there. So while the butter is solidifying, I'm just gonna line my 2 baking pans up with some parchment paper. So the butter has finally solidified. It took a while because it was so hot. So what I did is I put it in a bowl of ice and salt just so it could cool off, and it's finally solidified now. So now what you have to do is you're gonna cream the sugar, the brown sugar, the white sugar, and the salt together. You won! Daniela! So now it's time to add the eggs. So you're gonna put the yolk in, the entire egg, and the vanilla. So now it's time for the dry ingredients. So we've got the flour and we've got the baking soda. So we're just gonna add that into the mixer. So I'm gonna stop this for a bit. I'm just gonna scrape down the edges where flour hasn't been incorporated yet. All right, so once it's formed itself into a massive ball, like this, it is ready to add the chocolate chips in. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a glove on and I'm going to put all the chocolate chips into the dough and mix it with my hand. All right, so now just grab an ice cream scoop. You're gonna scoop out the mixture in even portion balls, and you're just gonna put them like this and pop it on the parchment paper like that. So the cookies have been rolled out and put onto each tray. I made 13 in total. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the trays in the fridge and let chill for 1 hour, and then we can pop them into the oven to start baking. All right, so I took the cookies out after chilling in the fridge for about an hour. We're gonna pop it in the oven at 180 degrees. We're gonna pop it in there for about 7 to 10 minutes or until the edges have gone golden brown and the middle is still chewy and soft. So I took the cookies out and I let them rest for a while to cool down. They were in the oven for around 15 minutes. This is how they look. We have to push them down and flatten them a little bit because this is how they would have looked. The recipe says you should just put them into balls and they'll flatten while they're in the oven, but they didn't. So what we did is we just grabbed a fork and we flattened it down while it was on the tray cooking. Thank you so much guys for tuning into this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and also would appreciate if you comment down any other suggestions that you would like us to bake, because we literally have no idea what you guys want to see. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and stay tuned for more videos. Enjoy!